Welcome, in front of me I have ULEFONE Note 8P, and today I will show you how you can take screenshot without using physical keys, without the volume and the power key. So at the first you have to open your notification bar, and after that you have to go for the right side. Just swipe like that, and as you can see here we got this option that's called the screenshot. So when you tap on it once, the screenshot will be taken. And right now we can simply save that screenshot by tapping on the OK button in the left bottom corner. As you can see, the screenshot was taken. And when we tap right here on the notification, we'll go straight to our screenshot. And for sure we can find it in the gallery, so we can delete, share, or edit whatever you want, you can make it. And that's how we can make it. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.